Okay, so basically the what are the basic shapes I share you? The circle, oval, and join like this. Okay, this very easy way, right? Isn't it? It's so easy.
Yes.
Just make it like this: here eyes, here nose, and mouth. So basically, I'm using circle. Okay, mostly I'm using the circle. So now I how to color it. Okay, so I show color.
Sir, what color do we have to use?
Sorry, beta.
Sir, which color do we have to use?
What color?
Yes, sir.
Any color you use. I'm using this color. This is camel while pastel. It's good. I use it's fine. You can use this. Okay. So let's start the color. Here I can use in uh, very light gray because it's a white kind of or light yellow ochre you can put in the body. So I just make it before start this one color. I just make it with the border. Okay. So it just looks good. Okay. Here make border like this. You can make some ghanti with this here. Okay. Make some ghanti. And the eyes. Okay, over here. So first you are creating this yellow ochre. Like this, yellow ochre color. Puts the overall body structure. Okay, very lightly first create this color, and the upper parts you can use in the brown. I use the deep brown. Where deep brown? Or light brown. Yeah, it's like brown color. So I use the deep brown. Okay, this is deep brown. First make the first tone should be the same like this. Okay, and the small horn you see here. That's horn. You can put the black color. The first one should be very simple color tone. Okay, like this. Okay, and here you can put some color, orange or blue. Okay, just make it some ghanti, the bale in neck. So you can put some gray color. Okay. Take your time. Now, done. Can go ahead the next step.
No.
Okay, take time. Arams. Hello. Hi. Can Steve not join class today? Steve not join class today. Please tell. Yeah. 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 Okay. Thank you. Done. I can go ahead the next the second set. Okay. The very simple second sets. I just take its little more brown color and make it down. The down area, you make the second sets like this area. See, this area, all down area, make the second tone. The because the light source is coming from this side, okay, and that's why this side light and this side is dark. Opposite is dark, okay. So you can just put the little dark color in down. All all areas little down like this, okay, like this. Eyes you can use directly first a brown, okay. A little highlights I leave the white color so it look good, okay, and make it looking like this. Fine. Okay. You can put some Russian blue for the second tone. All areas we use the second tone. Okay, like this. You can mix with your finger. Okay, all color. So it looks little more nice if you mix with your. Okay, aram se take your time, and I make here deep color the here also the down parts I put the deep color. Okay, aram se take your time like this. Okay, like this. It should be looks good. Okay, when you put the second tone, it looks good. Okay. I mix with my finger. Okay. So third tones, you can put the third tone also over here. Okay. Any drawing, I can put first tone, second tone, and third tone. So okay. So in third tone, I just little dark color. You can use a little dark brown. Okay. Only this down parts. Third tone. Okay. So it looks more depth. The shadow. Okay. So this is shadow. Light and shadow both are important. Okay, you can put some shadow so it looks more good. Okay, the third tone we are just finishing tone, so we are making somewhere brown color. Okay, like this in body somewhere, and use the somewhere the white color, okay, in top of the head, okay, because the sunlight is coming from here, no, so you can make some white color in this area, so it looks more wonderful. Okay, how to shades, lighten shades works I show. Okay, I hope you understand, and then you can go ahead the next.